Now representation of set. Now when a set is given to us, how we are representing, which terms we are going to use for the representation. Now number one term is roster form. Roster form. Now in the roster form, how to represent a set? Just look here. Now in roster form, also called tabulation method, also called tabulation method, the sets represented by listing all its elements number one, separating by commas all the elements and enclosing them within the braces like this, also called curly brackets. Okay, so this means what? All the elements of the set should be within the braces and it should be separated, each and every element should be separated by commas. Okay, so now example. Example, represent set of vowels of English alphabet in roster form. Okay, so in roster form, what we are going to write? In the braces, all the elements A, E, I, O, U. This is in the roster form. Okay. Now, second form is when we are representing in this form, it is called a roster form. Okay. We can take another example also. Set of even natural numbers less than is equal to 10. Even natural numbers. So now we are not going to write the statements, we are just going to write the elements. For example, in the curly bracket, in the braces 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Is it clear? So this is representation in this type is called roster form. Second is just a vice versa. If this is to be represented in the statement form, that is called what? Set builder form. Set builder form. Okay, just to build it. This is called just to build it. Now, the set builder form, also called rule method, the set is represented by specifying common property. Remember, I have not used the word properties with common property. Okay, is represented by specifying common property of the elements. Now, if a set, now this is an example, if a set capital A is characterized by the property P, we write capital A is equal to X, then a colon Px. It is written like this. Okay, now here X stands for, you can write it either arbitrary element or variable. X stands for arbitrary element or a variable. Colon or it can be in this form also. Okay, either this form or a bar. Okay, now colon, this one or this one, stands for such that, this stands for such that, and Px stands for common property. Okay, now A is equal to Px is read as A is the set of all X such that X has the property P. This is what all the basic thing, if it is written in this form. Is it clear? Now just writing this in the vice versa form. Now suppose we are having, now example. Now what is the example? Write A, E, I, O, U in set builder form. Earlier we have written the roster form, now we are writing in the set builder form. So how we are writing? We will be writing V is equal to, okay, V is equal to X is a vowel of English alphabet. Now how this will be read as? How this will be read as? We will read it as the set of all x, the set of all x such that x is a vowel of English alphabet. Now in place of x you can use any other symbol. For example, you can use y, z, m, n. Okay. Now once again going for the example part. Now x, the set of all x such that x is a vowel of the English alphabet. Now what x means here? Here x means any of the element. It can be x can be a, x can be e, x can be I, x can be o, x can be u. X has a common property. If this is written anywhere, it is written, always whenever you are looking towards it, you will say these are the vowels. You can't say anything else about this thing. Okay, so it means all the 5 elements have a common property. That's why in the set builder form we will be mentioning it in this form. Is it clear?